But then you jump up to the 3.0 and I'm telling you, this thing has a kick to it. We've said it before and we absolutely stand by it, but a pressure washer is probably the #1 tool that you need at your at-home detailing arsenal. And the Active 3.0 is one of the best options. Let me tell you, this thing is an absolute beast. Now the 3.0 in this pressure washer's name references the gallons per minute that comes out of this, or the GPM. Now, when it comes to detailing and cleaning, rinsing your car off using a foam cannon, the higher the GPM, the better it is for your washing experience. Now, more water means easier rinsing. More water means your foam cannon disperses the foam much better. But the 3.0, the higher the GPM, the better. And the Active 3.0 has some of the highest GPM for a kind of DIY pressure washer that you have at your house. Now, the one thing I do want to mention is this thing pulls 18 amps. So you have to put it on a 20 amp breaker in your home. So if you don't have that, you need to outfit it somewhere in your garage or somewhere outside of your home so you have the correct power source so you don't continue to trip a breaker while you use it. Now let's jump into the specs, okay? At peak PSI or peak pressure, it comes in at 1500 PSI, but the working pressure, meaning you put the nozzle on and you use it on the car, comes in at 1000 PSI. So the 1000 PSI mixed with the 3.0 GPM, or the 3 gallons per minute, is absolutely an amazing experience while washing your car, and super effective. Now the power cord is a 35-foot power cord with an integrated GFCI, and it comes with your 4 nozzles for your pressure washer. Now here at Adams Polishes, we're gonna offer it in 3 different options. #1 is unit only. So that comes with the pressure washer and the 4 nozzles. Realistically, the reason why we did that is because if you want to upgrade your current pressure washer, like you have an Active 2.0 or you have an Active 2.3, maybe even an Adams Polishes pressure washer, you can essentially swap them out for the 3.0 and boom, you're ready to go to start washing your car or using the pressure washer. Now the second option is going to be an upgrade kit. Okay, that comes with the unit and the nozzles, but it also comes with the Adams Polishes steel braided pressure washer hose, as well as the snub nose, a standard foam cannon, and it has this adapter so you can immediately start using it with the upgrade kit. You don't have to go anywhere else to get adapters or upgrade kits or anything else. Once you get the upgrade kit with the Active 3.0, it's ready to go. And lastly, you can get the Active 3.0 with the hose reel and wall mount setup in a full kit, and it even comes with the Adams Polishes upgrade kit. Now, this is like the ultimate washing setup, right? For a lot of people, their barrier to washing consistently or a couple times a week is because they have to set everything up. It takes time, right? In this case, you don't. It's already set up. You just pull it out and start washing. And really what it does is it reduces friction in your washing process. So if you have it all set up and ready to go, you're gonna be more inspired to wash more consistently. And with this setup, really super high performing, really nice pressure washer, plus this really thought out hose reel and wall mount setup. This right here is like the ultimate package you can get. Now, the other thing with this hose reel and wall mount upgrade kit with the 3.0 is it comes with everything that you need. It even includes an adapter that connects, you swap it out on the hose reel so you can connect the upgraded Adams Polishes pressure washer hose. You connect it in and then you just reel the hose up. So everything you need comes in this kit. So you just mount it to your wall, get everything set up, and boom, you can start washing immediately. Now, some argue that Active as a brand is one of the best pressure washer brands for DIY detailing, and even some professionals rave about their pressure washers. And at Adams Polishes, we've offered everything from the Active 2.0, which is 2 gallons per minute, and a very compact pressure washer, which is amazing. We also have the Active 2.3 pressure washer, which is now at 2.3 gallons per minute, and that thing also is a beast. But then you jump up to the 3.0, and I'm telling you, this thing has a kick to it. As soon as you pull the trigger, you can feel it pushing against your hand. And because you can feel that pressure and all of those 3 gallons per minute coming out, gosh, does it get a lot of dirt and grime off of your car. And when it's time to rinse your car off with all the soap on it, makes it super easy. This thing is a wonderful unit, and I know that you absolutely are gonna love it.